Let's go over deficit deadlift. A personal favorite of mine, quite challenging. So if you're not, trusting in your own conventional or sumo deadlift, I recommend you just get good at that first before you attempt this one, because all you do is essentially add more range of motion by elevating yourself, which means you have to get deeper into the deadlift position to start. All right. So I got like this little block right here. You can use anything as long as it's stable and you feel balanced on it. It can be a little bigger, right? The big thing is make sure you line up the same way you would on your normal deadlift, right? I'd have the bar kind of over my shoelace, so I want the same exact thing here, okay? Now, if you know how to do conventional deadlift, this part's going to be real easy for you. You just have to get used to getting into that deeper position. If you haven't, you have to first know how to hip hinge, so I'm going to hinge my hips back until my hands are about knee level. The rest of this is my ability to kind of open up my knees, hinge, and bend into the bottom of the deficit deadlift. You'll notice your knees will be way more forward than you would be on a normal conventional. You want to make sure your back is straight. You're going to brace your core nice and hard. Deep breath in. We brace. I push my feet through the ground. I push my hips forward to the walls ahead of me. And I do the same thing. Hip hinge, knee bend. Okay, I'm going to do 3. I like to reset also. Take a deep breath in every time. One more. Boom, like so. Try your best to keep it nice and close to your body also. So right here, this move isn't really going to affect my legs, but every bar is a little different. So you may get your leg a little cut up. So maybe some long sleeves will help you out. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.